Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and today on my workbench I have this classic Italeri 1984 catalogue. Now inside this catalogue is all the model kits that they were producing back in the day, and if you've not been on this channel before, what I try to do is take a catalogue from my stash and I film it page by page in the best quality possible. Only 10% of the people who watch these kind of videos are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified on any new videos, just ring the bell. So I film these page by page, and the best way to see this is with the highest quality possible. So click the cog, click quality and select 1080p. Also, if you think I'm turning the pages too quickly, you can slow the video down by clicking the cog, the playback speed, and then setting that to 0.5 or 0.2. Obviously, you can press pause at any time, and then once you've seen that page, press play and watch the rest of the video. Anyways, let's get down to it. This is the Italeri Scale Model Catalogue 1984. Enjoy. So it was really interesting, this catalogue. I'm not really an Italeri fan. I don't really have a lot of Italeri in my collection, and I've not really built much Italeri. But as you can imagine, Italeri is more, for me, is more about the here and now, and no military, not really jets, but really four wheels. Now, inside they start off with the trucks, which is it's personally what I think Italeri are the best at. So you can go through, back in the day, 1984. So they've released in 2 new trucks already. They've got this DAF here, which is the Cattleman. And they say here, this clearly is an Iveco, but they're saying this is the Fiat 190 Cowboy. If somebody can explain how Fiat can be Iveco and Iveco can be Fiat, just leave a comment in the box below. But I'm not too sure why that's there. I think that might be a misprint. Moving over, this one's new as well, apparently, which is the Magirus 360, which I assume is Mercedes underneath. You know, let me know. Then you can also buy a trailer, which is from their new, and they had the platform road train, which is Scania. They released a new canvas trailer, which is for like the tow and drag, and then they move on to their Volvos, which is what I remember when I used to go with my father to lorry shows. These were always the kits that were for sale. If you went to like the Volvo store, there would be Volvo lorries there. So going through, there you go. There's a Scania 142H, which is a dream. You know, if I could own one of these, there's one where I live that goes up and down the M5. You know, that is a phenomenally looking lorry, and that looks brilliant. You know, I would love to build that model at one point, but at the moment I've got so much on that I don't think I've got time to. Moving down through, these are all their trucks. You can see why people like them. They do look good. There's the DAF 330. There's the Renault. They've got quite a few Renaults in here. When I was growing up, that was the DAF I remember parked down the side of the roads there when I was going to school. You know, that's more of a modern day Scania for me. You know, but moving through, you've got the truck accessories. So moving through, you've got the automobiles in 1:24 scale. Then you move on to their airplanes, and apparently these are all new for them. These are all new releases that year. So the BR-20, the Hercules gunship, the Fat Albert Hercules. So there you go. So basically there'll be 2 different schemes, won't it? The YF-12A supersonic fighter, or the Thing, that was new. So they do have some new stuff in this catalogue, back, you know, from back in the day. So there's your airplanes. There's that Mitchell B25. Did I build that? Oh, I can't remember now. There's the HE111 or H111, however you want to say it. The Zwilling. I've not seen that for sale for a while either. Moving down through, there you go, more to your modern stuff with your F-18 Hornet and the F4G Wild Weasel, the Falcon. Then you've got your helicopters, which are always fun to build. That was new ago. That's the F-12A thing. The Thing. That's a new kit. They're saying there's the Blackbird in 1:48 scale. That must have testers decals in, I believe, because testers on it. Because sometimes they come with testers. All the military stuff was new back in the day in 1:35 scale. The M108 tank looks like new to me. Moving through, back through the military. That's new as well, the rocket launcher there. Some nice stuff in this catalogue. The Land Rover, which I believe is still the Land Rover you can buy today, and it's still the same tooling. So yeah, there's quite a bit in this catalogue. There's their figures, and people say the figures are really good. I don't own any figures, so if you can let me know in the comments what you think of their figures. You've got your Frogmen, and then you've got your accessories with your brick walls, your jerry cans, your checkpoints. And then your ships at 1:720 scale, which is interesting. And that was a new one. Is it the Lutzu and the Admiral Shear? They're all new, back in 1984. And they also do the Hood and the Eisenhower. And basically, that is the catalogue from Italeri 1984. There's so much in this catalogue, you know, but as I said, I think more, when I think of Italeri, I think more of four wheels or tyres. maybe you don't, but leave in the comments what your thoughts are. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.